Okay, we're about ready to add the orange chicken salad. Now we're mixing up the chicken with the sauce. And turn off this heat. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. We got that fried rice. All right. I'll see you guys when it's time to eat. Welcome to Drewski cooking show. We got some Japanese style fried rice with edamame tofu and hijiki seaweed. And we got orange chicken. And it's all cooking up. We're chefing it up. All right. I had to go and get some water. Today was a successful day. I did start it out pretty bad, and I still hurt from it. But you know, sometimes you start the day with a little hump in the road, and we Gucci though. You know, little slip, little scuffed knee, that happens. Sometimes you gotta fucking wake up a little bit more. Fucking know what you're doing. But nah, for real, it's super icy out there. Be careful if you're in an icy area. But yeah. I got some new crystals from my homie. He got them all the way in Canada. So yeah, I'll show you guys in a video coming up some new crystals. Check out the snow. You know the food's good when you got your head shaking like a middle school PE coach. We used to have the funniest PE coaches. They would be like, go run a mile. And then they'd see us run a mile, they'd be like, be clapping and shit. Like, but honestly, even though I hated it a little bit, I loved it at the same time because they pushed us so hard, and every day we were out there running and doing exercise and shit. I need to have someone like that every day. Maybe I'll make up my mind and do that for myself, but yeah. No, you want some treats? You want some treats too? I'll give you some of these carrot. Here. Let's give Molly some carrots. Oh, one of the carrots landed on her. Molly, there's a carrot on you. We made some orange chicken, and it's time to dig in. So I did a catering order today. It was over $500, and there was a lot of orange chicken and crab rangoons, fried rice, lo mein. There was a lot of stuff. Basically, I knew I had to go to Trader Joe's, get that orange chicken. Man, it does not disappoint, ever. That's top tier right there. It's like $5 for a big bag. Another $4 or $5 for a bag of fried rice. And we're cooking. That's cheaper than Panda Express. And then we threw some olive oil in the pan. Cooked it at like about medium, a little past medium. And then added the sauce and we're done. We got this for dessert. One second. Yeah, I know it's a messy floor. I need to mop it, but had to give Molly a carrot. Yeah, so we got some really good food today at Trader Joe's. This is another amazing snack. $7 or so, $7.99 maybe. Sesame honey almonds. Really good. I got some organic banana chips because you can never go wrong with them. Yeah. We got other stuff too, but we're gonna film some more videos with it because I got some tasty things coming up. Some stuff I've never tried from there. So yeah, we're gonna start chefing it up more on this channel. No more microwavable Hungry Man meals, unless it's a special occasion. I'm gonna try to do more healthy stuff, but obviously this is not healthy, but I'm sure it's healthier than going to a Chinese restaurant eating it, because you know exactly what you put in it. So I mean, that's pretty much it. I could probably finish eating this with y'all. Thanks for watching this long. If you ended up watching this long in the video, hit me up with a comment. Say something like, hey, that orange chicken looks fire. I don't know. But yeah, hey, appreciate you watching this long, watching this dude eat this Chinese food. American Chinese, but yeah. It's been a long winter, but I think we made it, and it's still going, but we're coming along strong. We got good friends, good family, good times ahead. I've been planning on doing more creative stuff to come. Work on some more music. Maybe film some more adventures, you know. At some point, you get to the point where you just cannot eat any more of this chicken, but I'm almost there, but not yet. If you could see this dog, my dog right now, she's just looking up like, I need some of this. All right, y'all. Hope you have a great rest of your night, day, morning, whatever time it is. But yeah, peace out.